Rajkrishna this side. Let's solve a problem which appeared in UPSC optional paper, that is of Maths 2015. It's from paper 2. It's a question from numerical methods and it's a simple problem. I don't know whether the calculation is going to be complex or not, but the method which we'll be using is going to be simple. Okay, all I will be on your calculation. Okay, so we need to find the Lagrange's interpolating polynomial that fits the following data. If I say the crux of this problem, so the basic thing that they are telling is to find a polynomial from this data points. Okay, you have been given x and the value of function at x. So in Lagrange's method that we have, there we name this as x0, x1, x2 and x3. Similarly, this will be your f of x0, f of x1, f of x2 and f of x3. It is not that hard and fast that this appeared in UPSC so that it's hard. It's a basic problem. It might appear in your university exams as well. So let's solve this. So how we find the polynomial using the Lagrange's method? We write fx equals to. So what we do? We make something like this. For the first term in numerator, we forget x0. So from each term will be like this. X minus, except for x0, take every term and subtract it by x. So x minus x1 will come, x minus x2 will come, x minus x3 will come, but x minus x0 will not come. Okay, and in denominator, subtract from x0 every x value except for x0, because if you subtract x0 from x0, that will become 0 and denominator will become 0. That what we don't want. So from x0 subtract everything. So only three things will be there, which will be x1, x2 and x3. Fine. Basically the same thing in numerator and denominator. Only difference in numerator you have x, in denominator you have x0. And this needs to be multiplied by f of x0. Fine enough, I think. Next, what we will do? In the next term, we will do the same thing but with x1. Okay. So if you do the same thing with x1, it will be, let's zoom it a bit, zoom out. So fine enough. I just need space. So this next one will be yes. From x subtract everything except x1. So x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3. And from x1 subtract same things which are there in the numerator. So x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2 and x1 minus x3. And obviously this will be multiplied by f of x1. What will be next? As you can predict now, the third term will be, from x will subtract everything except x2. So x minus x1, sorry, x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x3 divided by x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1. I am writing in general form. Now next step will plug in the values. So x2 minus x1 and x2 minus x3. Obviously, you know that you can't have x2 minus x2 because that will make it 0. So f of x2. And finally, for x3, you will have x minus x0, x minus x1, and x minus x2, x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1, and x3 minus x2 multiplied by f of x3. Now it's time to plug in the values. So let's do that. So you have minus 1, 2, 3, 4 as the values. So your fx will be x minus x1 is 1, then it is 2, wait, x3 is 4, x1 is minus 1, 2, 3, 4, x1 is 2. Let's write it somewhere near. So I'm writing it here. So x1 is minus 1, x0 is minus 1, x1 is 2, x2 is 3, and x3 is 4. So x minus x1, which is 2, so x minus 2, x minus x2, x minus x3, x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3. And what is f of x0? That is minus 1. Plus. You have now x minus x0, so that will be x plus 1, x minus x2, x minus x3, x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3. F of x1 is 11. I am taking bit more time just to explain it. Otherwise, you would have done that blue step. You would have neglected altogether. You just have arrived at this pink step. But let's do this just for the sake of revision. So next will be x minus x naught. So x plus 1, x minus x1. So x1 is 2. x3 is 4, x2 is 3, x2 is 3, so 3 minus x1 is 2, and f of x2 is 31. Finally, x plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x3 is 4, and 4 minus x2 is 3, and f of x3 is, I think, 69. So now we can simplify the denominator a bit. Fx equals to, this is a negative sign. In denominator you are getting minus 3, minus 4 and minus, all three are negative, so 5, 4, 20 and 2, sorry 3, 5, 4, 20 and 3, 60, 60 with a negative sign and one more negative was there, so positive sign. So x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4 into 6 divided by 60. Here again if I see 3 into minus minus plus, so 3 into 1 is 3 and multiplied by 2 is 6. So you are getting 6 and so it will be 11 by 6. Okay. So 11 by 6 and you are having x plus 1, x minus 3, x minus 4. Next I am having this. So 4 and into 1. So it will be 4 and 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So minus 4. So it will be minus 31 by 4. Minus 31 by 4. X plus 1. And finally this is 5. This is 1 and this is 2. So 5 into 2 is 10. 69 by 10, x plus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. This is obviously a lengthy question in this sense. So now if I see, I will have 60 as my LCM. So if I take that to be 60 or just I take 60 as common, so that will be simpler. So I will have here 1. I will have there this being multiplied by 10. So we'll see it one by one. So 1 multiplied by this. And what is this? This will be, let's do a rough calculation for this. So x, this will be x square minus 3x minus 4x. So this will be minus 7x plus 12 and this is multiplied by x minus 2. So you will get x cube minus 7x square plus 12x minus 2x square minus 14x minus 24. And this you are getting as x cube minus 9x square and minus 2x minus 24. X cube minus 9x square minus 2x minus 24. Okay. Plus 110 times x minus 3, x minus 4 is again this thing only, and this is to be multiplied by x plus 1. So if I multiply by x plus 1, so this will be simply, first one will be same, x cube minus 7x square plus 12x plus x square minus 7x plus 12. X cube minus 6x square plus 5x plus 12. X cube minus 6x square plus 5x plus 12. Next we'll be having x minus 2x minus 4. Okay. So this will be x square minus 6x plus 8 multiplied by x plus 1. So this will be x cube minus 6x square plus 8x plus x square minus 6x plus 8. x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 8. And this will be multiplied by 31 into 15 is 31 into 15 is 465 with a negative sign. So minus 465 times x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 8. Okay. And this is altogether a different thing. So again, x minus, this will be x square minus 5x plus 6 multiplied by x plus 1. So this will be x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus x square minus 5x plus 6. So this will be x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. And this will be 69 into 6, 414 times this. So I have now fx equals to 1 by 60. And why I am doing all this, I don't know, because in examination we just have to, this was the most crucial thing. We need to find f of 1.5. So the moment you reach this step, you can now evaluate f of 1.5 from there only. There is no need to find a polynomial, but as and when it is required, because they are asking Lagrange's interpolating polynomial that fits the following data and hence find. So I think they would have asked for polynomial also. So let's do a bit of more of hard work. So this will be coefficient of x3 I am collecting, so that will be 111 and minus of 465 and plus of 414. I hope calculator is allowed, I don't know. It is 60 times x cube. As far as x square is concerned, it is minus 9 and minus 660 and plus 465 into 5 and minus 414 multiplied by 4. So this is giving me 0. I will have to check it once again. So minus 9 minus 660 plus 5 into 465 minus 4 times 414, and it is 0. So x square term is not there, and next we'll have the x term. So I will have to collect minus 2 from here plus 220 from there and minus 465 into 2 from there and plus 414. So I'm getting minus 298 times x, and what about constant term? That will be minus 24 plus 110 into 12 minus 465 into 8 plus 414 into 6. So this is going to give you 60. So plus 60. And after doing all this, if I get incorrect answer, that would make me very unhappy. So this is what is given. Now if I check for any one value, so if I put minus 1, I should get minus 1. So if I put minus 1 in this, so I will get minus 60 plus 60 gone, and this should give me minus 1. So 298 by 60, that should give that is not giving me -1. So I think it's incorrect again. I will have to do all set of hard work once again. So x cube, x square coefficient, I will have to check it once again. Oh. Is there a problem with coefficient of x? Let's see. So it is -2 plus 550 minus 465 times 2 plus 414. It is coming out to be 32 this time. Let's do it once again. So it is -2 plus 550 minus 465 into 2 plus 414. 32. Again, 32 by 60 is anyway not going to give me -1. The coefficient of x square were -9 minus 660 plus 465 into 5 minus 414 into 4. It is coming out to be 0. I will pausing the video and I'm checking my calculations. Right then I got the error, although it was looking from here that you are getting -60 plus 60 being cancelled. Here you needed something so that it becomes -1. So you needed -60 somewhere. Okay. So for this, what we needed is, this is what I made a mistake here. It was, when multiplying by x -2, it should be 12 here and 14 here. Instead, I wrote -14, which made the problem. So now if you see, it is 26 from here, 110 into 5 minus 46 into, everything will add up to a number which is good number 60. Okay. Now in case it is 60, now if you put x as -1, so it will be minus 60 from here, then it will be a minus 60 from here, plus 60 from here. This will get cancelled, this will get cancelled and give you -1. Okay. And you can similarly check for the next value as well, which is 2, and it will give you 11. Let's see. At 2, it will be 60 into 8 plus 120 and plus 60. So this is 660 divided by 60 is there. So that is 11. As you can see, it is giving. That means the polynomial which we have got is correct, and if you simplify this polynomial, this is going to give you x cube plus x plus 1. Okay, so this is the required polynomial, and if you got the polynomial, you needed to find f of 1.5, so that is 1.5 cube plus 1.5 plus 1, and this will give you 1.5 cube and plus 1.5 plus 1, and this is going to give you 5.875. So I took a long duration of time solving this problem, but what steps you would have avoided during the examination? You would have avoided this blue. If you directly know, then you can directly go to this pink step. Do the calculations carefully, otherwise you will have to do it once again, and you can be stable at your calculation. So that's it for today. I hope you understood at least the method, not the lengthiness of the calculation. At least the method was clear from my side. Lagrange's polynomial if you have to find. So in every term, let's say in first term x naught is not there in numerator, but that same x naught is there in denominator. Let's look at this. These terms are same in both numerator and denominator. Only here it is x, here it is x naught, and same x naught is appearing here. So I hope you are able to understand this. So that's it for today. I tried solving this question. We'll come up with some more practice problems so you get confidence before the exam. Thanks again.